Hello everyone, welcome! Today we are bringing you an unboxing experience of our most popular new energy vehicle diagnostic tool, E2Pro. First, let's take a look at the E2Pro's packaging design. It's sleek and elegant, with the product name and brand logo prominently displayed on the front. Now let's see what's inside the box. E2Pro main unit, the central device with powerful functions. The main unit is constructed with premium materials, provides a comfortable tactile experience, adopts a minimalist design aligned with ergonomic principles, and ensures intuitive operation. VCI Diagnostic Box, used to connect with the vehicle, supporting various communication protocols. User manual provides detailed information on product features and usage instructions. Comprehensive auxiliary parts empower effortless handling of diverse repair requirements. E2Pro's one-touch upgrade ensures latest diagnostic software updates. Battery pack detection accurately checks each cell's voltage, temperature, and fault codes, supporting numerous car brands. Full system auto detection supports comprehensive diagnostic services for multiple vehicle models. Proponent component testing, air conditioning compressor, DC converter, OBC onboard charger, special function operations such as window mediation and immobilizer matching. Through today's unboxing experience, we can see that E2Pro is a powerful and easy-to-use smart diagnostic tool. For the auto repair professionals, it's definitely a good helper. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time.